In this video, I am going to solve two problems. Problem number 1. In the circuit shown, find VA to obtain maximum power from source to load. We have to find out the value of VA so that maximum power is going to be transferred from the source to the load. This is the load which is in the red box. The problem number 2 is this, a similar type of problem. In the circuit, find the value of the resistance to obtain maximum power from source to the load. That is, we have to find out this value of the resistor so that maximum power is going to be transferred from the source to the load. So let me solve first problem. This is the first problem. To solve this problem, first replace this load by a resistor. I am going to replace the load by a resistor. Replace the load by a resistor RL. Can you tell me the value of the load resistance so that maximum power can be transferred to this load resistance? The value of the RL will be equal to the source resistance, which is equal to 100 ohm. Can you tell me the current which will flow from the source to the load? The value of the current will be 20 upon 200, that is 0.1 ampere. Now look at this problem. 0.1 ampere current must flow from the source to the load, then only the maximum power will be transferred from the source to the load. Okay. Let the potential of this point is 0 volt. This potential will be 0 volt. The potential of this point will be 20 volt. Now the potential of this point will be 20 minus 0.1 into 100, that is equal to 10 volt. The potential of this point will be 10 volt. Can you tell me the current in this branch? In the 200 ohm resistor, the current in the 200 ohm resistor will be 10 volt divided by 200 ohm. So it will be 0.05 ampere. If you apply KCL at this point, you will get 0.05 ampere current in this branch. If you apply KVL from this point to this point by following this path, then you will get the equation 10 volt. In the direction of current, the potential will decrease by I into R. From plus to minus, the potential will decrease by VA equals to 0 volt. If you solve this equation, you will get VA equals to 7.5 volt. So the answer of this question is 7.5 volt. Now the next problem. First, replace this load by a resistor. The value of this resistance, the value of this RL will be equal to 2 ohm, then only the maximum power will be transferred from the source to the load. In this case, the value of the current will be 2.5 ampere. Now come to this circuit. For the maximum power transfer from the source to the load, the current which will flow from the source to the load will be 2.5 ampere. Let this point is A. Apply KVL in this loop. I am moving from point A to the point A. Apply KVL. VA, in the direction of the current, the potential will decrease by I into R, minus 2.5 into R. From plus to minus, the potential will decrease by minus 3 volt. From minus to plus, the potential will increase by 10 volt. And again, in the direction of the current, the potential will decrease by I into R, so minus 5. And now this is point A. If you solve this equation, then you will get R equals to 0.8 ohm. So answer for this question will be R equals to 0.8 ohm. When the value of this resistor will be 0.8 ohm, then the maximum power will be transferred from the source to the load. So in this way we have solved problem number 1. The answer for the problem number 1 is 7.5 volt, and the answer for the problem number 2 is 0.8 ohm.